My name is Margaret Howard and I'm the branch manager of BonAir Library. Starting on November 11th and going until mid-December, BonAir will be closed. The HVAC system is ready for its renovation. There's going to be some major maintenance to that, and that's going to help the building function more efficiently, which will be beneficial to our patrons, which will help them be more comfortable throughout the year, and then also save money and be more energy efficient across the board. We have made a plan to try to minimally impact our patrons during this time.
And talk about that plan.
Yeah, so while we are closed, the BonAir New Books, Holds, Bestsellers, and Too Hot to Hold collection will all reside at our North Courthouse Library. The North Courthouse Library is the closest library to BonAir, and it's also our newest library. There's lots of open seating, and it's a really beautiful space we think our patrons will enjoy. In addition to the North Courthouse Library, there's two other libraries that are very close to BonAir, and those are Midlothian as well as La Prade. So if North Courthouse isn't a convenient spot for our patrons, we definitely encourage them to visit those libraries as well as any other of the 9 branches in Chesterfield County.
You have 2 exciting partnerships as a result of this. Talk about that.
Oh yes, so we are so happy that we are able to still offer our story times during our closure. So all of our story times are still going to be held at their regular time, but they are going to be at Perk Coffee Shop. Now Perk is located at the Buford Road shopping center that's literally around the corner from BonAir, and we've had story time with them before and it went so well. So we're just so excited to be able to offer that again. Additionally, our BonAir Bookies, which is our popular book club here at BonAir, will be over at the Stony Point Shopping Center that's just across the street, and that will be at the Redemption bookstore that's in that shopping center. So we're just so thrilled about those 2 partnerships and that we're still able to provide some of our programming during the closure.
And speaking of North Courthouse, some of your staff will go there as well.
Absolutely. So our staff are not going to be taking a month off. They'll actually be working at other branches that should be the most impacted by our closure. So North Courthouse is one of those. We're also thinking Midlothian and La Prade are also going to be seeing some of our staff as well. So, you know, if you have a favorite librarian here at BonAir, you can still get in touch with them. Just ask them where they're going to be.